After getting into Vegas yesterday and spending a night at the Bellagio, we were ready to check in next door at the Cosmopolitan for 4 nights. Will this be our new favorite Vegas hotel? Hi, I'm Matt.
And I'm Rach.
For years now, we've enjoyed traveling the world together, near and far.
Whether it's creating lifelong memories, diving into distant cultures of the world, or just satisfying our craving to go somewhere new.
We invite you to come along to experience life's journey with us. Just checked into the Cosmopolitan, room 5686. It's on the 56th floor. I don't think it's really the 56th floor. I'm not really sure what floor it is.
It's high up though.
It's high up. Rachel says it's high up, but all I do know that it is pretty damn nice. The size of this bathroom. His and her sinks. Little water closet. Pretty cool wallpaper. I think these things used to be clear so you could see into the rooms, but I guess it would get a little awkward. What do you think, Rach?
I think it's a cool room.
Yeah?
Especially, the favorite part is the terrace.
Oh yeah, we'll get there. Here's a TV here in the living room area. Pretty sleek furniture, wallpaper. Nice working desk here. And some nice decor.
Nice. There's
You have your mini bar, but wait. Wait.
Own fridge, this might be one of the only.
This is, I love this. I absolutely love this. Not enough hotels do that. Just a regular closet here. We have a beautiful bed. And best of all, let me open this. How'd you open this?
Right.
Smoking some weed out here.
Yeah.
Somebody is.
Wow. We are pretty high up.
Yes, we are. Absolutely insane. So cool. You can see Aria. You can see New York, New York. Yeah. Private pools. What a view is this going to be at night? My goodness. You can see McCarran International Airport. MGM Grand. Right here in the middle of the strip.
Because we had the fridge and didn't want to pay the outrageous minibar prices, we made a special trip.
All right, so very important since we're here for 4 days. Had to go to the CVS to get all kinds of drinks, a few snacks, some hydration stuff. It's a lot cheaper, just right down the road. But your best bet if you're staying at the Cosmopolitan is to just walk across the crosswalk over Las Vegas Boulevard to the Walgreens that's right there. Don't walk all the way down the CVS like we did. Little word of advice.
The pool scene at the Cosmopolitan is amazing. The staff is attentive and friendly. The food and drink options are excellent as well.
We're Grill Overlook.
Or Overlook Grill or Grill Overlook?
Overlook Grill, Grill Overlook, I don't know. But I'm hungry. It's what time is it? It's 2 o'clock. I haven't eaten anything yet today.
I had some potato chips.
Yeah. We have a Greek salad here.
Some chicken.
Some empanadas. Everything looks good. These are called what?
Yeah, it had a special name.
Special name. It looks like an Aperol spritz.
Yeah, it's like their twist on the Aperol spritz.
Yeah. Really good though. It looks good. I haven't tried it.
Yeah, there is some passion fruit. It's a little different. It's a little sweeter than Aperol spritz because there's a passion fruit taste to it.
It's good for a hot day. Rich, you enjoying your champagne?
I am.
Got some rosé champagne out here on the balcony at the Cosmopolitan. It's a Saturday night. Alright, so after enjoying
Beverages out on the balcony.
Yeah, which is amazing in Vegas, like to have.
And it's not small, it's big.
Yeah, it's big. Like you really feel like you have a lot of room out there. We had some Pringles and some rosé champagne. Now we're going to a Jose Andres restaurant.
One of our favorite.
Right.
China. Well, we haven't been in this restaurant, but Jose Andres.
China Poblano.
China Poblano.
This is a new concept for us. So, what is the concept of China Poblano?
It is
Poblano.
It is Chinese and Mexican. So it's a tapas and mix of.
We heard they have a
cultures,
tasting menu,
flavors.
which we might check out. Super excited. We got 10 minutes.
But
until
what's
our
nice
reservation.
About the Cosmopolitan is it's like literally
right down
there.
Yeah,
You don't
right
have to
down.
walk far.
Boom.
Yeah.
All right, let's do it. We are here. So we got the first two courses, chips and salsa, and carnitas tacos. Still don't have the wine though, we're waiting on the wine. It's taking a year and a day to get the wine. Good?
Very good.
Taco? Yeah. Alright, third course. 18 karat gold. You're like, oh, we'll see. What do you got here?
This is vegetable fried rice, and I think it has 20 vegetables in it.
20 vegetables. A bonus
Bonus dessert.
bonus dessert. Sticky rice.
Yeah, it might be called sticky mango rice pudding or something.
Sticky mango rice.
It's good.
To be honest, we thought the tasting menu was just okay at China Poblano. Next time, we would definitely order something else on the menu, but all in all, really cool place and not too bad.
Right, it's a new day. We're about to go out, do a little walking on the strip. This is what we like to do when we're in Vegas in the morning, is get a head start to the day, a couple miles in maybe. And yeah, last night was fun. Clearly you can tell. Had a great time here at the Cosmo. Ready to do some walking?
I am. It's my favorite thing to do.
It's your favorite thing to do in Vegas?
Yes.
Take some morning walks. With a little foggy head.
You think you know me? Say I'm as cold-hearted as they come. You think I'm slowly cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. Here's what you don't know. Feelings, they grow slow. I've just been caring for mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night. I'm gonna call you up in the name of love. Gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you.
Brooklyn Bridge, Rach.
Yeah.
We just walked across the Brooklyn Bridge. It's kind of funny seeing a fake Brooklyn Bridge.
You didn't pay attention to this stuff as much.
No. Yeah.
Yeah, falling in love, well, maybe for you. I think it's crazy.
All right, so one place we've never been to,
Excalibur.
Excalibur. Never been to the Excalibur. I want to see what's going on at the Excalibur.
For mine. Now I can feel it. Now I believe it. Baby, tonight is the night.
The Excalibur.
In the name of love. In the name of
Mandalay Bay. We've never been to Mandalay Bay either. Some new places to see here in Vegas. For us. They've been here a long time. We haven't been there though.
gonna call you up and tell you that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. You think you know me?
Got St. Mark's Square. Not quite the real one, but pretty nice replica.
You think I'm slowly, no, 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 cutting my ties with you, that I'm done. But I'm not done with you.
Gotta get the In-N-Out burger. Ooh, first bite. Coming up.
In the name of love, gonna call
How is it?
that I'm not giving up. In the name of love, I'm not giving up yet on you. In the name of love, in the name of love. In the name of love, in the name of love. Feeling caged, unsafe, lights
I'm gonna go to Haleo. We love Haleo. Never been to the Vegas one. All right. Cheers, Haleo. Bacon wrapped dates.
One of my favorites.
Oh, I love these. Oh my. Oh my.
From Barcelona.
Yeah, the bread is from Barcelona.
We had this when we were on our honeymoon party.
Yeah. Go ahead, try it.
Oh, I didn't know it was so tasty.
Is it as good as the one in DC? Yeah. What are these here? Oh, the liquid olives. Good?
Burst in your mouth.
That started near Barcelona too.
Hey, like, let's go.
Okay, so these are different than the DC Haleo.
Well, I think what they did is the way they put the aioli sauce on it. Like different.
Ah, okay. It looks
Just be on the
freaking
sauce.
awesome though. Go ahead and try it. Let's be the taster. Get that sauce. Yeah.
I'm trying to break it to you. Really good.
Alright, cool. Oh, grilled chorizo. Give it a try.
Mashed potatoes.
This even looks different from
We've
the...
had something similar.
Yeah. Yeah. Winner, winner. Chorizo dinner. So, Rach, this is chicken thighs?
Yeah, it is. But it looks
We've never had this before at
like
Bellagio.
a garlic chicken.
Yeah. Give it a try.
Always give it a try. It looks like it has a really nice
Oh, glaze on it? Or
plate of crust.
a crust?
Like
Yeah.
it's hand seared or fried.
Yeah. Good?
There's chicken. Con
Wait.
chocolate.
What is this?
Con chocolate. So like almost like a chocolate bread cake. I think. Some ice cream and I don't know, there's a lot going on in there. It looks fancy.
I mean, it looks really good, doesn't it?
It does.
Give it a taste. Break it up.
Gotta get a little bit of this.
A little bit of that.
Gotta get it all. Gotta get all the flavors.
Yeah,
One spin.
that's important. There it is. Good? So now to answer the question, is this our new favorite Vegas hotel? I think we'd have to say yes, for sure. We will definitely be back. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more fun travel videos.